So in part B of this question they ask us what is the elasticity of demand at different prices. So let's start. We have first case, when price equals to 20, what is the elasticity of demand? Well, look, our elasticity of demand has quantity in the formula, so what we want first is to find out the quantity when price equals to 20. Now remember, from question A we found out the relationship between quantity and price, where quantity equals to 1800 minus 20 times P. That's the linear relation between price and quantity. Now, when price equals to 20, let's find out the quantity. Quantity demanded would be equals to 1800 minus 20 times 20, which is 1800 minus 400, and that's equal to 1400. Okay, we found out the quantity, we can find out the elasticity at this level, at this price. Elasticity of demand is equal to 1 minus 1800 divided by 1400, which is equal to minus 0.2857. Now, what matters is how we interpret the elasticity, what we understand from this number. Remember, elasticity is about percentage change, meaning that when price increases by 1%, quantity demanded decreases because the elasticity is negative, meaning that the effect is negative. The quantity demanded decreases by 0.2857%. This is the key, the percent. We're looking at percent. Alright, now let's solve the next one. The next one is the same question. What is the elasticity of demand when price equals to 30? So, same method. First step, calculate the quantity. The quantity at this level is equal to 1800 minus 20 times the price. Sorry about that. 1800 minus 20 times the price. 20 times the price. So quantity is equal to 1800 minus 20 times 30, which is equal to 1800 minus 600, and that's equal to 1200. So what is the elasticity of demand in this case? Well, 1 minus 1800 divided by Q. We found out that Q is equal to 1200, so let's do the math. 1 minus 1800 over 1200, and that's equal to minus 0.5. Again, let's interpret this result. What that means is that when price goes up by 1%, quantity demanded decreases, because again the effect is negative, by 0.5%. And that's it. And the last part, the last case, is when price equals to 70. What is the elasticity of demand in this case? Well, again, first calculate the quantity, 1800 minus 20 times P, which is 1800 minus 20 times 70, and that's equal to 1800 minus 1400, that's equal to 400. So elasticity of demand is equal to 1 minus 1800 divided by Q, which is equal to 1 minus 1800 divided by this value, divided by 400, and that's equal to minus 3.5. Minus 3.5. Okay, let's interpret this one last thing. If we interpret, we say that price goes up by 1%, means that quantity decreases, negative effect, by 3.5%. And that's it. We're done with this part. In the next video, let's solve question C.